So let's talk about day trading. It has been something that many of us are looking to do, but sometimes are afraid because we have heard horror stories of people losing money, but at the same time we also hear people making tons of money by using these trading strategies.
We made a shit ton of money.
And this video is in collaboration with XMGlobal because they want to share the new features that they have on their platform that can help us make informed decisions when trading in the market. And let's be honest, trading in the current market can be really tough. If you're trading without tools, you are basically taking a gamble with trading, and it's something that I've done and I'm not proud of it.
I'm not proud of it.
And if you haven't heard, XMGlobal is an online broker that allows you to trade across 50 different currency pairs. And if you're into day trading, then the following features on XMGlobal could be something that you should really look into. So once you have started your account with XMGlobal, links will be in the description down below where you guys can sign up. We will navigate to the research and education tab that shows us a drop-down list of tools that we have access to. So the first one that I found that's really interesting is the discover function. So regardless if you're looking to do trading or just want to know how the market is going, the discover function is one that you shouldn't miss. The discover function allows you to have a quick overview of the different markets, and if we look at the stocks, we can see the bubble graph of which stocks are getting the most mentions in the different time frames. So for example, right now we can see that in the last 24 hours, Tesla was getting a lot of mentions, which means that they might start getting volatile. And with this piece of information, you can decide if you want to go long or short depending on what your analysis is. So from here, if you click on the News Desk tab, it shows us the latest news that's happening right now in real time, which will affect how the market performs depending on what people feel about it. So that's for stocks, but let's talk about crypto. So on the crypto side of things, we can see that Bitcoin and Ethereum are still the big boys in the market, with BTC USD and ETH USD having the largest circle. So for sure, there are some meme coins out there that are popping up once in a while, but those to me are considered really high risk trades, which might just be a pump and dump scheme, and it's not something that we really want to get into. So if we mouse over the BTC USD bubble, we can see that the percentage growth in the mentions for the last 24 hours. And if you click into that, you get a news analysis on Bitcoin. So the most interesting analysis here is the trend analysis. So right now it's showing that there might be a price fall, which can be a good thing if you're looking to accumulate Bitcoin. And if you're shorting it, it could be an opportunity for you as well. And from here, you can see the detailed breakdown of why the analysis is as such. So from this analysis, you can see that the pivot point is at $30,520. And there's a comment that also explains why this analysis is like this. So the next feature that I found very interesting as well is the trade ideas. So basically, trade ideas are some potential trades that other traders have put out. But do take note that these are just ideas and you should not blindly follow them. So for example, if you look at gold, there is a few trade ideas that popped up, and these are updated regularly because day trading is just that fast. And under each trade tabs, you get a small report of what the trader is thinking about for this particular trade. So if you look at the trade ideas from Analyzer, the general direction here is a bearish one in a 10-minute time frame. So it also shows the pattern, which is the bearish swing failure. So I'm not a pro trader, but I think this is a bearish signal. And then from here, you can see the different resistance and support levels that one can consider if you're planning to trade this particular counter or this commodity. So if you're not into commodities, there is also an option for stocks, forex, and indices. So basically, if you're looking to trade any of these kind of instruments, it's a great platform to get additional information, which can then ultimately decide your trading strategy or your plans moving forward. So as an investor that sometimes trade, one of the biggest challenges that I have is keeping up with different things that are happening around the globe. And being in different time zone makes it really difficult as well. So this is why there's a solution here, which is called the economical calendar that XM provides. So this calendar shows the upcoming events that might affect your trade positions. So since I'm mainly in the US market, I can filter the calendar by country, which is then obviously the US right now. So from here, we can see the list of events that's going to be happening in the coming weeks or events that already has happened. So one of the key pieces of information here is the importance column here, because it sort of gives you a feel of how much these events will affect your holdings or your trades. And it goes without saying that with low importance, it will not affect as much. Those with medium and high might be something that can potentially affect the holdings that you have. So as of recording, we can see that there is an upcoming event with high importance, which is the retail sales month-on-month APR and the retail sales year-on-year APR reports. So this could be something to consider if you are invested in retail stocks. So do what you will with these pieces of information from the calendar, the trade ideas, and the discover page to plot out your trading strategies on whether you'll go in for a long trade or even a short trade, or maybe even just sit on the sidelines for a while. So on a final note, if you're looking to learn more about trading in terms of fundamental analysis, technical analysis, trading strategies, and much more, XMGlobal has a curated page of educational videos that will bring you through different topics, allowing you to learn and grow as a trader or even as an investor. So this brings us to the end of today's video, which is a collaboration with XMGlobal. If you have any questions at all, I have left links in the description down below where you can get linked up with XMGlobal's Telegram, where you can see the latest updates that XMGlobal has. So once again, thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't, do drop a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.